time. Two Cronuts, strawberry, a maple, the Rice Krispie treat, an Oreo. Do a red velvet. Thank you. You too. Okay guys, here we go. Yes sir. Alright guys, I am super excited. So, look at all these amazing donuts. So we're gonna go down one by one, showing you guys what they are and how they taste. What's up guys, welcome to the video. So we are excited today because it's another cheat day, and this is my 7th cheat day. Usually I'm getting 6 donuts, but today I got 7 just for all of you guys. We got a good variety here. They all look super good. So I'm gonna start off with the Kronicle, because I always start off with the Kronicle because it is super good, super like, oh my gosh, it's just the best way to start our cheat day with a Kronicle. So, all right guys, cheers to video number 7. Cheers to all the new subscribers. Hopefully you guys enjoying these videos because I'm having fun making them. So, here's to you guys. Oh my gosh, that is heaven, heaven. Oh my gosh, that is so good. All right, next we're just gonna go with a maple. Now, why? Because maple is super good. They did have the maple bacon again, but I just wanted to go with a simple, plain old maple that is just delicious, so. Oh, and today also I did bring some almond milk in here because somebody was like, oh, how come you never drink anything when you eat the donuts? And I just go to town and I just don't even think about it. But yeah, here's some almond milk. Oh yeah, that made it so much better. Okay, moving right along. Next, let's go with this red velvet. Now, somebody was asking me that, well, somebody was telling me to get a red velvet next time. So last time they didn't have them, and actually every time that I've been to 5-0, they don't have them. They usually switch up the donuts all the time. Here's to, I forget your name, but cheers to whoever told me to get the red velvet, and to all the red velvet lovers out there. And this has like a, I think it's like a cream cheese frosting. So, oh gosh, here we go. Ooh, that's very cakey. Butter's bomb. Okay guys, okay, here we go. All right, so next we have a Rice Krispie donut. This has a Rice Krispie treat, has chocolate, has M&M inside, and this is on top of a glazed donut. I want to try to get it all in one bite, so let's try to do this. Yeah, all right. That's crispy. Yeah, and I'm living here in Florida now, in Sarasota. I came out here a few months ago, actually went down and stayed with my boy Nate Figueroa, and stayed down there for about 3 weeks and just had a blast, had a great time, and then came up here to visit my aunt, and I just haven't left. I don't want to leave. I don't want to go back to New Bedford, Massachusetts, because it is extremely cold there, and I don't like the cold. I don't like the snow, and yeah, so just pure sunshine and good weather, good people, and I'm loving this whole Florida vibe. So cheers to Sarasota. And to Florida, and to everyone back home. I still love all y'all. Stay warm. Yeah, overall, great donut. I loved it. I keep forgetting I have almond milk. It makes it go down so much easier.
That's what she said.
All right, guys, so what we have left is an Oreo, we have a strawberry, and we have one more Kronicle left. So what shall I do? I don't know. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a bite of this one, and I'm gonna take a bite of this one, and then make the decision. Ooh. There's something about strawberry frosted. I love it. But this Oreo is looking mighty fine too. You know what? I just came up with the best idea. Hold on. I'm gonna save these two for last. I'm gonna smash down this Kronicle right. I'm gonna smash down this Kronicle right here. Oh my gosh. It's still just as good as the first one, even after eating 4 donuts. I forgot again. I need somebody here to remind me. Okay. It doesn't have to be a final donut. That could be the final donuts. So I'm gonna finish these like this. Genius. That's pretty wild. Chocolate, strawberry, Oreo. That's a combination. This is so savage. All right guys, so last and final donut, and this is a very special donut. Really looking forwad to it. It's called the Strawrio donut. It's actually a Oreo donut and a, I'm such an idiot. Yeah, strawberry and Oreo. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Man, I'm on my mind. Okay guys, last and final bite. Cheers to everybody. Cheers to everyone watching this video right now. Cheers to everybody commenting. Cheers to everybody liking the video. And cheers to all of you guys that are disliking the video. So you know what? Why don't you guys be brave? And for all of you guys that dislike the video, comment below and say you disliked it. And comment why. So therefore, I can make the video a little bit better just for you guys. So maybe you'll hit that like button one day. But if you want to just keep disliking it, do it. And I guarantee you guys ain't gonna comment below because you guys are scared. Cheers. Yes, sir. Ooh, that was a lot of sugar. But we did it. We did it. 8:38 a.m. That's how we start the day. We always start with donuts. I love starting the day with donuts. Just get the sugar pumping, fill up that muscle glycogen, get you nice and strong, ready for the entire day. Alright guys, now it's time for another skate trick. And the hardest part about doing the cheat days by yourself, well, for instance for me, is skating, doing tricks, you know, just setting up the tripod in between every take and every go. It's just kind of like a pain. It kind of sucks, but it is fun when you have somebody else there, you're just laughing. Which I mean, I laughed by myself because I'm stupid when I was eating those donuts. But so I just gotta set my tripod up and then do a trick. But I found this pretty cool spot, so check it out. It's like this up rail, which I've never skated before, and it's completely fresh. Alright, when you have no wax, and all you have is chapstick for a brand new spot, it works. All right, here we go. All right guys, so we got a clip, and then yeah, I wanted to show you guys my car. So this is my Hyundai Elantra that I bought last weekend that I was pretty much just waiting for PayPal to transfer money because it took forever, but yeah, we got it. Oh, I don't have a license plate yet, but it is coming in the mail. But it's pretty mint, easy car to drive around, really great on gas, 57,000 miles, not bad at all. So yeah, if you guys see me, I'll be cruising in this thing in Florida, so definitely wave hi, let's grab a donut or something, but yeah, word. What's up, 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 what's up? Okay guys, so it is currently 12:50 p.m. and it's time to eat my next meal. So we are at a place called Fuzzy's, and it is a taco shop, and I haven't had tacos in a long time, so pretty excited about this and decided to switch things up a little bit. So yeah, let's head inside and see what this place is all about. Check it out, the tacos are here. So I decided to go with ground beef pork. This is special ground beef. Then we have the shredded brisket, and then this one is shredded chicken. And I think it's super cool that they have these little labels on the tacos. So we're gonna start with the shredded chicken first. On this taco we have lettuce, tomato, feta cheese, and shredded chicken. So here we go. Wow, that's good. Man. The chicken's super tender, super juicy. Crunch from the taco shell. Damn. It's almost like I'm eating nachos. Alright guys, next we have the special ground beef. So this has ground beef, cheese, lettuce, cilantro, tomatoes, and feta cheese. I dig it. Alright, next, let's go with the brisket. Look at that juicy shredded beef brisket. Here we go. It has like a smoky, kind of barbecue taste. Really, really good. Alright guys, next we have the pork taco. So we got pork, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and feta cheese. Here we go. Pretty good. So far I'm liking the beef brisket one of the best. Okay guys, last and final taco, we have the ground beef. Ground beef, cheese, lettuce, tomato, cheese. Let's do it. Yeah, that's real deal. Taco flavored beef. Has a little bit of a spice to it, but really tasty. And last bite. Okay guys, so overall I would probably rate Fuzzy's as like an 8.5 out of 10. The tacos are really good. I think by far my best was the beef brisket one, so really good. So this is Fuzzy's in Sarasota, Florida. If you're in the area, definitely check them out. Okay, so typically on my downtime, I'm usually spending it replying to comments on my Instagram, replying to DMs, and also all the comments on my YouTube channel. As you guys might notice, I do respond to every single comment on all of my videos, so it does take me a good amount of time throughout the day, or just when I have some downtime here and there, I'll just be replying. So yeah, I definitely appreciate everybody that leaves a comment, that leaves questions. I'm more than happy to help everybody as much as I can. But yeah, if I have not answered your question yet, just give it some time. I will eventually get to it. But yeah, I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna eat next. I don't know. But luckily you guys will see in the next couple minutes. All right guys, so it is currently 4:39 p.m. and we are on the hunt for the next meal. All right guys, Blaze Pizza it is. Okay guys, so I decided to just go with a build your own pizza. So I went with mozzarella cheese, we got pepperoni, we got chicken, we got spinach, and we got some garlic. Pretty excited to eat this, it looks super good, so let's go ahead and dig in. That was good. The dough is like chewy, like the bread. Oh, look at that. I think I like pizza as much as I like donut. That really says something. Okay guys, I really enjoyed that pizza, and I think I'm gonna rate Blaze Pizza at a 9.5 out of 10, and it's got some serious competition. Actually, I think it's even better than the BJ's Pizza. So if you guys haven't tried Blaze Pizza, definitely try it again in Sarasota, Florida. That's where I'm cheating and enjoying all this great food. So, all right, let's get into something else.
Well, you may throw you a rock, hide your hand.
All right guys, time for another clip, and I think I got a switch backside flip in me. Let's do this. Let me clean it up a bit. Ah, yes, it's been so long since I've done one of those. Stoked. Okay guys, so before I head out and go get my last and final meal of this epic cheat day, I just wanted to share something with you guys. And this is something that I've been wanting to do for a super long time now, and I just figured, why not just do it? You know, people have been asking me, and I figured it'd be great for the channel, so I'm making t-shirts. So I already placed an order. The first shirt is gonna be a black shirt with white lettering with a pink donut that says Gut Donut. So really excited about it, and I placed an order of 50 already, and I just put them live on my website. So the shirts will be in within 2 weeks. You can check them out on my website, nickdompierre.com, and just go to the apparel link and it'll be right there. And this is kind of gonna be like a pre-sale. So I have 50 on the way that'll be here in 2 weeks, and there is no limits. You know, I'm just kind of seeing how many people order them, so then I can kind of place another order so I'm not stuck with tons and tons of shirts. So really excited about it. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you want to support the channel, great. If you want to just watch the channel, great. I appreciate it. If you want to comment, great. Like it, dislike it, whatever. But yeah, I'm having a great time. All the engagement has been really awesome. So yeah, I just want to see what happens with making shirts, and if you guys want more of them, I can make more of them if you guys have ideas for designs. So yeah, this is the beginning of making shirts. So really excited, but now it is time to get my last and final meal of the day. So let's go. What's up, doggies? What's up, doggies? What's up, doggies? Alright, so finally I have someone to eat with today. I'm going to eat with my Auntie Missy. Where are we going?
Cheesecake Factory.
Cheesecake Factory. Guys, so we decided to just go with a bunch of appetizers. So we have some burger sliders. I think these are Tex-Mex egg rolls, and then we got quesadilla. So yeah, let's Smash it. See if I can eat this in 2 bites. Oh, 1. I think I got it 1.
No, that's gross. You're gonna enjoy it. How about the caramel pecan turtle cheesecake?
That sounds good. I'm down with that.
Alright. Why do you have that camera in my face?
Because you are part of my cheat day. Say hello to everybody.
Hi everybody, but I don't want to be on this video.
Sorry, but you're on. This is my Aunt Missy. She's who I'm living with in Sarasota. Are you happy to have me here?
I am. It's a joy.
Alright guys, look at this massive chunk of cheesecake. Caramel, pecan, turtle, cheesecake. Let's dig in. You go first. What kind of bite was that? Yeah, right. Moment of truth. Wow, this thing is dense. She's never seen me eat before on a cheat day. Alright guys, that is going to wrap up my 7th cheat day. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hope you guys are enjoying all these cheat days because I'm definitely enjoying them. I'm having fun kind of mixing up the content, adding skating, just trying to add variety, you know, switching up the foods. And if there's anything you guys want me to change or what I should add more of, definitely leave it in the comment box below. I respond to all the comments. It takes me a little bit to get back to them, but I do. And yeah, I just want to say thank you again to all of you guys, all the new subs, all of my OG subs, everybody. I really appreciate your support, and more cheat day videos coming soon, training videos, day in the life stuff, just typical days with me. So alright, I am checking out. It is time to go to bed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Peace.